To put in your Wi-Fi password, select the settings menu and then go to connectivity. Go to find eduroam and put in your college email address, which is your number at petroc.ac.uk. Then put in your password, which is the same password you used to sign into Petroc with. You also need to use the little drop-down menu next to Advanced Settings and select from the certificates Do Not Validate and press Connect. You should now be connected to eduroam. You can also check your connection by hovering over the Wi-Fi symbol in the bottom menu. When you finish with your Vive, make sure you log out of the Wi-Fi by going back to Settings, Connectivity, eduroam and click to forget the Wi-Fi code.